Have you ever pondered over the potential of ChatGPT to help you earn a handsome income? Well, if you did, you're on the right track. Today we're going to unravel the secrets of how to make money using this revolutionary artificial intelligence technology. First on our list is offering consulting services. As an expert in ChatGPT, you can provide advice and guidance to businesses and individuals on how to effectively use this technology. You can help them understand the nuances, strengths and limitations of ChatGPT, enabling them to maximize its potential. Next, we have the creation and selling of chatbot templates. By using ChatGPT, you can create a wide range of chatbot templates for different industries. These templates can be sold to businesses looking to automate their customer service, thus providing an extra income stream for you. Now let's move on to affiliate marketing. You can promote ChatGPT and its related products on your blog, website, or social media channels. Every time someone purchases a product or service via your referral link, you earn a commission. Another method is building apps, websites, or services. By integrating ChatGPT into your apps, websites, or services, you can provide a unique and enhanced user experience. This, in turn, can attract more users and generate more revenue. Next up, we have creating logos and illustrations. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative ideas for logos and illustrations, which you can then sell to businesses or individuals. Generating business ideas is another interesting way to use ChatGPT. You can use this tool to brainstorm innovative business ideas and strategies, which can then be sold to entrepreneurs or businesses. Creating AI chatbots is a lucrative method as well. You can use ChatGPT to create AI chatbots for businesses, helping them to automate their customer service, sales, and marketing processes. Email writing is another avenue where ChatGPT can be used effectively. You can use this tool to generate professional and engaging emails, which can then be sold as a service. Blogging and copywriting are also great ways to make money using ChatGPT. You can use this tool to generate high-quality blog posts and persuasive copy, which can then be sold to businesses. Online tutoring is another interesting method. You can use ChatGPT to create educational content and tutorials, which can be sold to students and professionals. Solving problems is another way to make money using ChatGPT. You can use this tool to solve complex problems, analyze data, and generate solutions, which can then be sold as a service. Finally, we have translation services. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, which can be sold as a service to businesses and individuals. In conclusion, the potential of ChatGPT to generate income is vast and varied. Whether it's offering consulting services, creating and selling chatbot templates, affiliate marketing, building apps, websites, or services, creating logos and illustrations, generating business ideas, creating AI chatbots, email writing, blogging, copywriting, online tutoring, solving problems, or translation services, ChatGPT can be your gateway to financial success. So why wait? Start exploring these methods today and unlock the potential of ChatGPT.